Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel where I provide you with the latest crypto airdrop news. If you are a crypto enthusiast, then hit that subscribe button and enable the notification bell to stay informed about all upcoming crypto gems. Without any further ado, let's hop right in. Portal to Bitcoin has opened its door for claiming. If you have interacted with their platform, you will be eligible to receive PTB tokens. You can check your eligibility by visiting the link in the description below this video. Just be sure to use an active wallet to avoid the Sybil report. Now switching gears to the project itself. Portal to Bitcoin is a trust-minimized protocol enabling cross-chain atomic swaps between Bitcoin and other blockchain assets, including Layer 2 solutions and other Layer 1s, without relying on custodial bridges or wrapped tokens. It aims to make Bitcoin the settlement layer for various markets and bring Bitcoin security to the DeFi ecosystem. Well, that would be all for this video, guys. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to share this video with your crypto fellows. See you at the next one.